Yeah. I think he's gonna break the piano. I think he's gonna break the piano. He's kicking it so hard. You're gonna break the piano. You're gonna break the piano. Thomas. Thomas. You're gonna break that piano? He's trying to go after that toy right there.